So the next we are going to look at membership operators. So all these functions that we are looking at are the basic things that we need later point of time. So this membership operators is to find out whether a particular item is it item or set of items are present in the collection or not. So membership operators, there are two operators, these are the keywords, in or not in. So what are they actually used for? Just to find out whether a value or variable is it found within such sequence of such as string, list, tuple, set and dictionary. Now you will be learning all this thing one by one. What is a string, what is a list, what is a tuple, what is a set and what is a dictionary, and you will also know how to differentiate. So in your test this thing will be evaluated to know the difference between the list, tuple, set, dictionary, which we will see later point of time.
So for the test, write code.
Write code. No, write code means write code means in a simple sense, like for example, okay, define a tuple of this. Right? Of course, you write how you define a tuple. It is still coding, but it's not so much of a programming syntax that is actually evaluated. Just see how you actually define those. So I would say it's not as extensive as MicroP. This is just a mild one only. I'm also considering whether I should try to incorporate the programming part by using the code runner in Brighton. At the end of the day, writing code is the main thing. Okay, here actually beyond writing the code, what is important for this course is that the understanding of the data science cycle. Along the way, by the by, we are actually using Python as a platform to learn because it's a powerful tool. That's why in terms of the programming syntax is not so seriously looked upon, because you can rectify that, not a problem. If you know, if you understand what are you supposed to do, to use the Python syntax and things like that, then easily you can find out. Now you have ChatGPT, you can actually assist you, right? But the understanding to know what to do with this data, what do you want to do, that is important. But of course we try to learn Python together. All right. So let us look at the membership operation examples. So you have not learned yet, but it's coming up soon. But let us define a variable of string. So let's say x. Just now I heard someone say hello world, so we're going to use the hello world. So this is what we are defining as x is a string of characters. Okay. So now we want to use the function print. So print will allow you to print a value. So now what we're going to do is we are going to use the membership function, which is in. Okay. So print, let's say which letter that you want to find out whether is it there in the hello world or not. I mean letter. Sorry, O. Okay. O. So print O in X. So when you do this, what will happen is it will return true if O is in X. So let's write this. You see, it returns true. So when you use the in membership, is just to find out whether is it there or not. So let's say if you choose another letter, which is, let's say T, then you print. See, it gives false. I mean there is no letter T in the string. Is that okay? Now how do we actually use the not in? So this one is O, this gives false. So let's say if you try to print another one, now we try to use the membership not in. So is O not in X? This one is supposed to return true if O is not in X. So this one will give false, right, because O is there, unless if you replace with letter P, for example, then you get true. So you just have to understand. So this is like the language understanding, right? Is O in the string X or not? If yes, it's true. If no, false. Is P not in X? So it's not in X. So you're establishing that statement, P is not in X. So if it's true, means it is not there. If it's false, that means it is there. Is that okay? This is the membership function. So now next we are going to look at string operations.